Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and it is today day 2 of planting. And I am beat. Oh my gosh, I really think I overdid it yesterday. We got a lot done, but there's so much more to go. And getting out, it took me way too long to get out of bed this morning. So I'm starting the day off with my big old thing of ice water. I made myself a nice big thing of iced coffee. We're gonna try and get this in gear. And get going. I am exhausted. I'm sore. I have muscles hurting that I forgot all about. Yeah, working on that hill is no joke. Your body is just constantly trying not to keep from tipping over, but we got so much done. So, I got so much done. You'll see that in the video from yesterday, the day 1 video. I showed you at the end what I got done, and then today we're going at it. So here we go. Got my shade planters done. So most of these have a coleus, 2 impatiens, a white begonia, and some lobelia. So everything in these containers here was grown from seed, and this one I did tuck into the 2 on the left. I tucked in a black-eyed Susan vine, so that's going to climb up there. I don't put one on that side just because there's cords and stuff. I don't want it to get tangled up. This here is my full sun planter. So we have 3 petunias, 2 jewels of opar, a small, hopefully a dwarf canna in the back, we'll see, and then the dichondra silver falls, which I did cut in half and put on either side to kind of give it a nice draping effect. So that's the only thing that I had bought. That is a Proven Winners dichondra silver falls. And then the other shade is over here. This one hangs up on this side, so this one has 3 of the lime green coleus, 3 white impatiens, 2 pink begonias, and 1 big lobelia here in the front. So those are going to look nice, and that's going to hang right there once my husband gets home because I can't reach it. did I do yesterday? Yesterday I did all the other containers over there, and then I planted in a bunch of cannas, and then I did stuck a hosta in there, and I planted that hosta there because I've been kind of dividing them. So really happy with the progress. It's just so nice to look out and see some pink flowers, especially this hibiscus, which is gonna open soon. So yeah, I think that's it for this morning.